In March, when the first case of COVID-19 pandemic was reported in Rwanda, all public areas constructed public hand-washing facilities. However, as time passed by, people have started to neglect the COVID-19 preventive measures by some not properly wearing face masks, not practicing social distancing where it's crowded, and not washing their hands as often. Some of the locals find this issue alarming. In order to prevent COVID-19 from spreading, each and everyone needs to feel responsible and stay cautious. People need to wash their hands or use hand sanitizers in order to protect themselves and others. I don't see how hard it can be for one to take a few seconds to wash their hands. On one hand, some hand-washing facilities are no longer functioning as there is no water supply and no soap available. Some business people are also forgetting to remind their customers to wash their hands before entering their shops. All these are issues that have been put forward by some of the local residents. Like now, I was trying to wash my hands. The first tap had no water coming. Likewise, the second one. There was no soap as well. We request that these facilities get fixed so that we can have running water and soap. In the markets, people still wash their hands, but in shops, sellers forget to remind their customers to wash their hands. Some sellers still don't understand the importance of encouraging their customers to adhere to the COVID-19 preventive measures. Nyarugenge district officials say they plan to repair public hand-washing facilities that have been damaged as they request locals to safeguard them. All damaged hand-washing facilities will be fixed with the help of some private businesses during this week. We have hope it will be successful as locals are required to safeguard them as well. The Director General of Rwanda Biomedical Center, Dr. Sabin Sazimana, says this is the time for people to strictly adhere to the COVID-19 preventive measures as the situation is predicted to worsen in the near future. During the past few days, people had stopped adhering to the COVID-19 preventive measures, thinking it has come to an end, yet that's when it has just started to worsen. It is time for us to be more cautious than ever. It's time for all people that were taking this lightly to be more safe by repairing hand-washing facilities and placing more hand sanitizers in public areas. During evening hours, hand-washing soaps are not available in markets and bus stations, while some people are spotted not wearing face masks properly. Jane Mutoni reporting for RTV.